What if I told you that a phone now runs PC level with zero compromise on power, cooling, or design? Today, we're unboxing the ultimate gaming beast, the RedMagic 10S Pro Plus. With a bold new look, insane performance, built-in cooling fan, and the kind of battery and charging combo that redefines endurance. From under-display camera tech to a desktop-class gaming experience, this phone doesn't just play the game, it changes it. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know why this might just be the most complete gaming phone of the year. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from Maiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Now, let's dive into the unboxing. Meet the all-new RedMagic 10S Pro Plus, a flagship built for elite performance and bold design. Let's start with the accessories. Inside the box, you'll find a compact yet powerful 120-watt charger with Type-C ports, supporting up to 20 volts output. The thick 99-centimeter cable handles phones, laptops, and tablets with ease, a versatile setup for any tech arsenal. Now, the star of the show, the phone itself. The RedMagic 10S Pro Plus stuns with a rugged, boxy design that's sharp and aggressive. No soft curves here, just pure uncompromising style, a true dream for gamers and perfectionists alike. The RedMagic 10S Pro Plus arrives with a factory-applied center film and a seamless display, no punch holes in sight. Its silver matte metal frame adds a bold industrial edge, complete with precision-cut vents for the internal cooling fan. Up top, the signature 3.5mm headphone jack returns, an essential for serious gamers. On the sides, tactile shoulder triggers enhance gameplay, while familiar controls and dual cooling fans ensure peak performance. Some may ask why the design hasn't changed. The answer? It's already perfected. Built on a proven formula across generations, this layout is tried, tested, and complete. The rear features the striking Blade Stealth colorway, bold silver with mirrored accents, finished with subtle cyan blue highlights. It's powerful, futuristic, and undeniably cool. Cool by design, built for battle. The RedMagic 10S Pro Plus gives off a frosty, almost ice-like aesthetic, tough and sleek inside and out. The exposed screw elements and X cooling fan logo add a rugged industrial touch. From the side, it's perfection. No camera bump, just a clean, flat profile. Design score 10/10. At 232 grams, it's solid in hand. While that may feel heavy for a regular phone, it's expected for a gaming beast with a built-in fan. Compared to devices with external cooling, this is a well-balanced trade-off. And the bold look isn't for you? The new transparent Dark Knight edition offers a stealthier, more refined take on power. The perfect blend, transparent and understated. At first glance, it's a sleek black design, but under light, subtle details emerge. This contrast between stealth and flair is sure to win fans. The black and gold colorway offers dual appeal, whether you lean minimalist or want a hint of shine. Now, my favorite part, lighting up the screen. The RedMagic's ultra-narrow bezels and hole-free display shine best outside of dark mode. I always switch it off to enjoy the full visual impact. Clean, immersive, and distraction-free. Slip on the slim case and the design subtly evolves with refined top and bottom edges, still bold, now more polished. With exposed edges on both sides, the RedMagic 10S Pro Plus embraces a raw, performance-driven design. Especially in the Silver Wing edition, the slim bezels make the display feel even more immersive. Built for serious gaming, it's powered by the Snapdragon leading edition, but paired with RedMagic's custom Red Core R3 Pro gaming chip. Benchmarks speak volumes, over 3.3 million on Antutu without even enabling extreme mode. In Geekbench, it posts 3,112 single-core and 9,726 multi-core scores with a powerful 3D Mark GPU performance to match. In real-world play, it holds an impressive 121 FPS average in Honor of Kings over a 30-minute session. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a generational leap. The RedMagic 10S Pro Plus impresses with both performance and thermal control. In regular gaming, it maintains a stable 61 FPS in Genshin Impact for 30 minutes, with power consumption at 4.35 watt and surface temps peaking at just 47.2 degrees Celsius front, 41.4 degrees Celsius back. Under heavy load with Honkai Star Rail, it averages 60.8 FPS, reaching 7.7 watt power draw, still keeping cool at 47.6 degrees Celsius front and 47.2 degrees Celsius back. Throughout, it delivers consistent performance with controlled thermals. And when it's time to recharge, the 7,500 mAh battery and blazing 120-watt fast charging combo place it among the very best in battery and charging performance today. From 0 to 100%, the RedMagic 10S Pro Plus charges in just 39 minutes with a peak power of 86.8 watts. Full trickle charging completes in 56 minutes. In a standard 5-task endurance test, it still held 67% battery, remarkably efficient. RedMagic continues to refine, not reinvent. The under-display camera remains a signature feature, delivering a clean front design fans appreciate. Instead of chasing trends, RedMagic doubles down on strengths, upgrading the processor and now introducing seamless PC-side gaming integration. It's steady innovation with purpose. We used to joke, can a PC masterpiece run on a phone? Now with RedMagic, the answer is yes. Fans are eager to see what next-gen innovations RedMagic will unveil next. So the RedMagic 10S Pro Plus, a powerhouse that proves gaming phones can be fast, cool, and seriously good-looking. From elite performance to PC-level gaming and a design that stays true to its roots, RedMagic delivers once again, and we can't wait to see what black tech they pull off next. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell, because coming up next, we're diving into something fans have been begging for: a RedMagic gaming tablet concept, what it could look like, and what features it must have to dominate the scene. You won't want to miss it.